So this question related to gravitation was asked in JEE Mains 2024. That is, four identical particles of mass m are kept at the four corners of a square. If the gravitational force exerted on one of the masses by the other masses is this much, the length of the sides of the square is. तो मान लीजिए ये चार मास हैं हमारे m, m, m and m. They are kept at the four corners of a square and each side of the square is of length a. Okay, तो इस मास के ऊपर हम कंसीडर करेंगे व्हाट आर द वेरियस फोर्सेस एक्टिंग. तो इसके ऊपर एक तो ये वाला मास अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स लगाएगा, दूसरा ये मास लगाएगा और तीसरा ये मास लगाएगा. ओके, नाउ दीज टू फोर्सेस विल बी इक्वल बिकॉज दे आर एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस a फ्रॉम द गिवन मास. ओके, सो दिस फोर्स F एंड F दे विल बी इक्वल और इनका जो रिजल्टेंट होगा दैट विल एक्ट अलोंग द डायगोनल बिकॉज दे आर एट 90 डिग्री टू ईच अदर. और जो दूसरा फोर्स जो लगेगा इस पे दैट इज बाय द दिस मास व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द डायगोनल. ओके, सो दिस लेट इट बी F डबल प्राइम और जो F प्राइम इज द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ दीज टू फोर्सेस. सो जो नेट फोर्स लगेगा इसके ऊपर इस मास के ऊपर दैट नेट फोर्स विल बी इक्वल टू F प्राइम प्लस F डबल प्राइम. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज F प्राइम? F प्राइम इज द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ these two forces, so it will be under root F square plus F square, that is under root 2F square, so this is nothing but under root 2 into F. Okay, now what is F? F is nothing but GMM upon A square. Okay, so this is GM square upon A square, so we can say that F prime will be under root 2 into F, that is into GM square upon A square. That is the value of F prime. Now what is F double prime? F double prime is along the diagonal, so this will be GMM upon diagonal square, and diagonal square is nothing but A square plus A square, that is 2A square. So this is your F double prime. Now we can write F net is equal to F prime, that is under root 2 GM square upon A square plus F double prime, that is GM square upon 2A square. If we take GM square upon A square common, we will get root 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, this we can write at GM square upon A square into 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, now if we equate this F net with the given value of net force, then we will get GM square upon 2A square into 2 root 2 plus 1 is equal to this value, that is 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 32 GM square upon L square. Now GM square will get cancelled out on both sides. 2 root 2 plus 1 will also cancel out. So what we will get is 1 upon 2A square is equal to 1 upon 32 L square. That means 2A square is equal to 32 L square. Or we can say that A square is equal to 16 L square. So A is equal to 4L. So our second option, that is A equal to the square length of the square is 4L. So that is correct. Thank you and wish you all the best.